everyone, welcome to my simple kitchen. Today we're making a super easy and fairly healthy broccoli chicken and rice casserole. Let's get started. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This casserole doesn't take long at all, so you can have that preheating in the background while you prep. You're going to need 2 cups of cooked rice for this recipe. Instant rice works perfect and takes just a few minutes on the stove. Add the rice to a large mixing bowl. Next you'll add 2 cups of cooked broccoli. Again, I keep it easy and simple by buying the steamable freezer bags, heating them up, and cutting them into small pieces. Then you'll add in 2 cups of chopped or shredded chicken breast. I always use a rotisserie chicken for this recipe because it's easy, but you could make your own, or you could even use canned chicken if you have that on hand. Cut that all up and add it to your bowl. This casserole is great for an easy dinner, but is also super good as leftovers, making it a great option for easy meal prep. Pour in 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Give that all a stir until everything is mixed well. This recipe is super versatile and easy to tweak. You can toss in some diced onions, mushrooms, or even peppers for more flavor. Then I add salt and pepper to taste. By now your oven should be preheated, so go ahead and give this one final mix. Grab a 9x13 baking dish. Pour the mixture in and spread that out evenly. Then top with another 1/2 cup of shredded cheese of your choice. Now onto my favorite part. Next you're going to add the delicious toppings. You can add either Ritz crackers, saltines, or even cornflakes. Crumble those up on top. You can use as much or as little as you'd like. Then drizzle 4 ounces of melted butter on top and toss it in the oven for 30 minutes. Everything is already cooked, so it's really just getting all of the ingredients warmed up and the flavors mashed together. My family absolutely loves this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you like it as much as we do. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Enjoy!